Okay guys, I'm going to run all now. So in short while my webcam will open. Okay, so first I'm going to show a healthy lung. Yes, the result is healthy lung. Next, it should show unhealthy lung. Yes, as you can see, it's showing unhealthy lung. Again, I'm going to show a healthy lung. And once again, I'm going to show an unhealthy lung. Yeah, the program works as how I expected. Hello friends, today we are going to employ a machine learning image classification technique to train our model so that it can detect between cancerous and non-cancerous lung CT scans. So the first thing to do in order to do this program, we have to teach our model. So in order to teach our model, we are going to go to File, Open ML Environment. Here we are going to create a new project. I'm going to name it as ML lung cancer detector. Okay, once we have named it, we can scroll down, create a project. Oh, sorry, before that, we have to select the project type first. So we are going to use image classifier, then create project. So this is going to take some time. Okay, so once we have a screen like this, first thing I'm going to edit here. Here I'm going to say unhealthy lung. And then the next one is, of course, healthy lung. Then we are going to upload some images for the what was that? Unhealthy lung. Okay. I'm going to select all and import. So we are going to, once you are done with that, we are going to do the same for healthy lung. Control A to select all and then open. So you can see for the unhealthy lung, we have 36 image samples, and for the healthy lung, we have 20 image samples. So once we are done on this part, we can train our model. So click train model. So please wait for a while until the training is done. So let us wait until it teaches itself. So I'm just going to wait until the model is fully trained. Model accuracy is moderate. So training completed, but model accuracy is moderate. So what I'm going to do is just train again. So I'm just going to wait until it trains itself again. The training for the model is still in progress, so I'm just gonna wait. The training of the model should be over anytime soon. Okay, we have to wait for a while. Model accuracy is moderate. Okay, never mind. So anyway, I'm just going to continue with the testing of the model. So before that, I'm going to export the model. Okay, so once we exported the model, we will have something similar to the screen as you can see here. Since we are not going to use Toby, we can delete Toby up, so we will have nothing. Okay guys, before we start to test our program, let me save this program first. I'm going to save it. Yeah. Okay, ML lung cancer detector. Okay, now we already saved the program. There's one more thing, slight changes that I want to make to our code here. Where is it? Hang on. Okay. Here I'm going to rename these as result. Results. Okay, so when the image classification window, which means our webcam opens, right? So we will be displaying an image of lung image to the webcam, and the webcam should tell us whether it is a cancerous lung or an healthy lung. So this is what we are trying to do today. It's something similar to CT scan lung cancer detector. Okay guys, I'm going to run all now. So in short while my webcam will open. Okay, so first I'm going to show a healthy lung. Yes, the result is healthy lung. Next, it should show unhealthy lung. Yes, as you can see, it's showing unhealthy lung. Again, I'm going to show a healthy lung. And once again, I'm going to show an unhealthy lung. Yeah, the program works as how I expected. Okay, that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video. I see you on next video. Till then, take care. Have a great day. Bye.